hating on you with their friends, girl, you.
Welcome back to my channel, besties. I know it's been a minute. We're gonna be doing this look, but first we got a couple of unboxing videos for you. Let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, Christmas don't owe me Nathaniels, bitch. Okay, period. I got that little moon lamp that all the girlies been going crazy over. It's really, really bright. It's really, really big. Not that little one, the little what is it, like the little knockoff version? I didn't get that one. I got the big one. Okay, girl, the big one. And I'm just showing y'all everything that it came with, the little connector cable so you can power it on. You know, you plug that into the wall or whatever. Then them little tools and the little things that you connect the little tools to so it can stand up straight. I don't know what you call them. I'm just a girl, okay? But yeah, that's basically it for this little package or whatever. I think my mom got me this for Christmas. Not sure. I think she did though, because I had like a little Amazon gift list, so people was just buying stuff off of that. So yeah, I think my mom did her one too on this little gift right here. Okay, so next we got the star of the show. There was a theme here. I was going with things that I wanted, and yeah, you guessed it, it's bling. So all of my little whole aesthetic is now about to be like super blingy, super just flashy. Like all of my nail stuff is just about to be so cute and blingy, and that was the theme. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all what it came with. The little cable thing, the cable thing to the, I don't know, is it a USB? It's not a USB. I don't know what those is called. The little charger thing, because this lamp is actually rechargeable. You don't need to have it plugged in. You could just charge it up, unplug it, turn it on and off, and it works just like that without being connected. So yeah, it's definitely an upgrade, and I can't wait for my clients to see it and use it and love it. But if you're a client, please don't get no nail stuff on my no nail polish on the inside. Put your hands in there right. So this is my little setup. It's all cute. I love it. We're still not done, but yeah, that's it for the little unboxing though. I mean, can you just take a glance at that sparkle? Just look at it. She is the star of the show. She is the star of everything. Like, that is a statement piece, and I'm in love with it. I just cannot get enough of this little lamp. It is so cute. Okay, so moving on to why you guys are actually here. We're gonna start doing my nails. So I'm just sizing up. I already did my nails the night before, but I kept one off so I could get into this video real quick. And yeah, so I'm starting off by sizing my tip, and then I'm putting a little cuticle softener on there, getting a little dead skin, little dead cuticle off there, pushing it back, doing all that good stuff. And now I'm taking this drill bit. I'm sorry if y'all hear stuff in my background. I have a cat now. He's adorable, but he's really all over the place. He gives me crackhead energy, and I love him for that. But yeah, I'm just taking this little piece and I'm getting the rest of the little dead skin off around the cuticle area. And I don't know what this drill bit is called, but I love it because it really gets in there. It gets in there and it gets everything off. So now I'm just going in with my sanding bit, and I am buffing away the shine so everything adheres better. But if you're here, you already know this, so I'm not gonna go too much into explaining exactly what I am doing. Like, it's been like 4 years since I've been doing these videos. We already know exactly what it is that I'm doing, when I'm doing it, how I'm doing it. I don't know why I feel the need to explain to y'all every video, but I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna cut that out. So on that note, how was you guys' Christmas? You can comment below and tell me and let me know. My Christmas was amazing. I felt very loved this year. I feel like I ended this year on a really good note. If you know me in real life, you know this year has been really tough for me, and I just felt so loved and really. My boyfriend actually listened to me this year, y'all. Like, let's have girl talk for a second. My boyfriend actually listened to me and actually got me exactly what it is that I wanted. I have been hinting that I wanted these earrings for a minute, and he actually did really good and got them. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. Yeah, he did real good this year, y'all. Well, honestly, not just him, kind of everybody did really good this year and listened to me. Normally, people just be getting me what they think that I want and not listening to me. So, to actually get everything that I wanted this year, it was a pretty good Christmas for me. Like, yeah, I was really happy. Like, super happy. And even with the earrings, like, my boyfriend was so cute, y'all. Like, we opened all of our gifts, and he had put the earring box in the Christmas tree. And so after we done opening the presents, he like, we still got one more present. And I'm looking under the tree like, where the present at? And he pointed up at, like, by the star. And y'all, I wanted to cry so bad. Like, I seen that little box, I just knew it was fucking jewelry. So when I actually opened it, I was like, for me, like, for real, stop playing. But like, now that Christmas and stuff is out the way, like, New Year's, I really want to focus on my goals. Like, I never really set goals for New Year's, so yeah, I'm gonna try and work on that. But like, back to my earrings real quick. Because it's just really crazy. Like, if you follow me, like, if you're friends with me on Facebook, you already know what I'm about to say. Like, because Christmas, my boyfriend's birthday is in December, and then it's Christmas. So on my birthday last year, or this year, me and him, we had a little mishap. And look at me, I'm already ready for the new year, already saying last year when it's really the same year. But on my birthday, we had a little mishap. So on his birthday, for my birthday was 8 months ago, and I was so serious. Like, I told him, I'm stealing your birthday. Like, your birthday is gonna be my birthday now. I need a birthday redo. And I was not playing. Like, I had everybody telling me happy birthday on his birthday. I wanted a cake, gifts, the whole nine. Like, I was not playing. And he was such a good sport about everything. Like, he really didn't get mad. And if you know my boyfriend, you know that man is real aggy. Like, any little thing get on his nerves, and he just, like, he handled that real well. But like, yeah. So it was just really crazy that, like, he took all that and then in the same breath got me them earrings. So I'm really proud of him. He did his little 1-2 with the earrings, and they cost a pretty bag. So yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, the ending of my year has been kind of amazing. Like, I've had a pretty rough, I want to say, 4 years. So yeah, it looks like things are turning around for me. I feel a lot more secure within myself as a woman, and I've done a lot of growing within the last 4 years. And so I feel like this new year, and I never feel like this about the new year. Like, I really don't be caring about the new year and goals and yada yada. But I feel like this year is going to be really different for me. And I don't know what's in store, but I'm really excited to, like, be on this little journey. Like, I don't know. I don't know what's in the works for me, but I feel like it's something big. So I'm excited. Now, as far as my channel, I don't know what's going to happen with that within the New Year's. I am going to try and be more consistent. And boo, I know, tomato, throw tomatoes at me, because I say that every video. I literally come on here every video talking about how I'm going to try and be more consistent. But I really am going to try and be more consistent this time. I'm going to try and have my filming days be Wednesday, and then my upload days either be a Thursday or a Friday. And try and like just film enough videos on Wednesday, dependent, because I hate soaking off nails. That's really what be stopping me. Like once my nails are on, honey, they're on, and I'm not doing them until I feel good and ready to get this set off. So that's my main issue with like creating content. But I'm gonna try to do multiple videos to have enough content for out throughout the week on a Wednesday. And then yeah, I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna try, because I work really long hours. Like CNAs, y'all feel me, them hours be killing. It is like 12 or 14 hour shifts, like 4 days a week. I get them 3 days off, and by the fourth day I be feeling so tired and so drained. I be coming to work at like 5 o'clock in the morning to like 7 o'clock at night, and it is just very draining. So that's the main reason I can't keep up with content right now. But I'm gonna try. I'm really gonna try, y'all. Like a lot of people miss me and I be feeling bad, but it's like TT needs sleep, y'all. I be tired. Okay, so if you stuck with me this long through my rambling, this is basically the end of the video. The results are coming up right now. I'm just finished filing, and the key to shaping basically is, if you feel like you done filing, girl, file some more, because you're not done. And once you feel like you done,
File some more.
like, okay, we putting on the cuticle oil, and boom, girl, finished results. That little shimmer in that gold really popped, and I love this look. It's so subtle for the new year. It's so cute. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.